So one of the other things we want to talk about, right, as you look forward, what are your goals to grow and refine, your existing operations? A little bit of an insight into that would be helpful.
Yeah, so after fully implementing the iMarq process, we're expecting to increase our throughput and better manage our inventory levels, Satish. This inventory will be based on consumption patterns that are tracked and reported in real time, domiciled in a cloud. And our growth will be driven, through our labor efficiencies that we see. So we'll never cease to refine our operations. We learn from each running repair, each rebuild, how to better succeed in the future. And iMarq will just be another tool that helps us capture that. The team's culture is outstanding at RELAM, and the tools needed, we allow our employees to give that input, whether it's safety related, whether it's production, it's all experience based. And so we will continue overall to drive the reliability, the safety, and the quality of the equipment that we provide to our customer base by leveraging these programs such as our telematics, such as iMarq, that'll drive those efficiencies.